The phrase buy term and invest the difference evolves around the concept of term life policy, which is a basic protection policy, and endowment/whole life policy, which has protection and investment/saving features. To put it simply, the phrase means that instead of taking up the endowment/whole life policy, an individual should buy a term policy for protection, and the difference between the premiums of the two policies is to be invested by the individual himself to earn some dividend on the investment. To agree with the phrase buy term and invest the difference, one need to have the conviction and willpower to invest the difference in the premium in an investment vehicle that can pay a return higher than that declared by an insurance company. Unfortunately, most of us do not have the capability to achieve the desired return over time. At times, one is lucky to reap a good return from the equity market, but this is all short-lived. When the downturn occurs, all gains will be wiped out, and may even heavy losses. Now let's take a look at the mechanics of buying property. Here it can be seen that investing in real estate is quite different from most other traditional investments such as stocks. With real estate, you can often borrow up to around 80% of the value of a property, sometimes even the full value and beyond under special circumstances. Thus, a more modest investment of, say, 20% of the value can be used to buy and control the full value of the larger investment. Naturally, if the value of your investment increases, i.e., property prices rise, then the value of your real estate investment also increases. If so, then you are into profit, including that on the money you originally borrowed. Naturally, there will be costs associated with real estate investing such as legal fees and property maintenance, taxes, etc., but these are usually small in comparison with the potential gains. High-yield investment programs really took off with the introduction of electronic currencies such as e-gold. The reason for this is that investors can buy their electronic funds immediately and start investing right away. Often these e-currencies can be purchased at a great rate, as well making them doubly attractive to investors. Once an investor begins to earn, he or she can cash out any time and will be paid in e-currency, which is then traded in for a cash value. Electronic currencies really brought the hype world to the investment forefront because it made the programs even easier to follow and interact with. Another reason that real estate is a popular investment is that there are profits to be made from it whilst you are the owner. In addition to the tax-saving benefits in that any tax due on the property's increase in value doesn't become due until it is eventually sold, you can also make additional money from renting out the property. This can often cover all your running costs of the property, plus providing a profit on top. Unless you make a large down payment early on during your ownership, the monthly operating profit from your property business is likely to be small or non-existent. But over time, this profit will increase as the amount of rent you can charge increases at a higher rate than the running costs. Naturally, these profits will be subject to normal income tax rules. If you are good at recruiting people to invest in the programs that you are interested in, then hype may be perfect for you. So long as you can keep getting referrals or new investors, your hype will likely continue to pay well for a substantial period of time. It'll pay even better if the people that you recruit will also recruit, as it's a pyramid scheme that will allow you to make more money if more people get involved. Without the existence of investment-linked products, one may disagree with the phrase and may not buy term and invest the difference, but instead to take up a traditional participating life insurance product that provides life protection with an element for investment. The premium may be higher, but it leads to wealth creation for the future.